My video guide is about getting rid of these scary pop-ups that are related to the site GetSecures.com. GetSecures.com is a malicious site. Its main purpose is to force users into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. GetSecures.com is absolutely faulty and truly deceptive. It tries to make people think that their computer is supposedly infected with some horrible malware. So the pop-up then tries to make you download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups by GetSecures.com, don't interact with them. What I recommend you to do is immediately researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start researching your system. With its help, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.